Yeah, so our clean sheet pile is looking pretty heavy. It's getting nice. A little bit of dirty here. Some extrusion, garbage, and a bit of wire there. So yeah, there's still lots to go here. It's gonna be a good haul, man. Ugh, come on. Nothing too crazy. Those are tin. Yeah, we're trying to fix it.
You used to bring the money in.
I know. I'm such a jerk, Mark. All I bring is tin now.
Okay.
Such a look at this. Nothing but garbage. No aluminum. No aluminum for you, Marco. Nothing but tin. That's it. I don't think I like you much anymore.
What happened to the truck?
Transmission locked up. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try to fix it. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. All right. Okay, I'm gonna put.
Oh, that's parent glasses.
Blinking. No, this works actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what we did today. I don't know what the hell we did. We just welded a bunch of shit on here. Welded some shit in here. Welded some shit in there.
Okay.
Welded shit. Yeah. They were putting a broomstick in, and then they were pushing that. So we just welded and put a bunch of shit everywhere here. So anyway, yeah. Yeah, it's better. Oh, look at these. Look at these things. It's just ridiculous. Oh, it's getting away on me. So we'll go. Let's go a little bit shallower here. Try that. So here's our messy load. I'm dropping these tires off for my buddy. They're 15s, but they're 31. That's a load of aluminum right there. Holy. That is going to make some money. Okay, we were heavy. It was 350 pounds of aluminum. But,
No,
I got it! Yeah. This bin of random electronics. It's always worth having a look. I mean, you know, brand new HDMI cable. Usually too many of those. It's got the nice big LED in there. What do we got here? Aluminum HDX. More weird stuff. It's like a little multi-bulb holder with turn-ons. This box should be medium heavy, and then yeah, light box, and then some shocks. Sounds about right.
That sounds about right.
All right.
There you are. We'll see you again.
See you again. And these are the rear ones here, and they're mighty hefty. Okay, so as soon as the ignition is on, this stupid fucker here starts buzzing. You can hear it all the way in the cab. So I'm not sure. I gotta maybe try to get a new part. It's either it's buzzing because it's telling me to turn my lights on. Oh, it shut off. Oh, let me try that again. Okay, I just made some rubber washers here to sound isolate it. Okay, so it's a timeout type of thing, but it's still stupid and annoying. So the plan is here to just use some washers to sound isolate it from. Okay, here's what we're doing here. Yeah, we're making a mess here. We're trying to change ABS sensor, brakes. Downside was a 3-inch, a 3/8 socket, which with all my piles and piles of tools, for some reason I don't have. Can you grab me an extension on that, on this one here? And yeah. Alright, so there's the. Oh, it doesn't even. Oh, it does. Okay, well, it doesn't expand back, but it goes in. And that's where the shock's supposed to. Okay, here's. I found a 3/8. I dug through my. Look, I got all these sockets here. Can't find a 3/8 hex driver, so I borrowed one from the neighbor, but the dogs are going crazy.
Oh yeah, there's a
Yeah, they're nice and heavy. Look at these. They're
heavy duty.
They look pretty good, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched a few videos on it.
They're good shocks.
Yeah. So.
Oh, they're different names.
Alright, so yeah, these are cheap shocks, but it doesn't matter because I did some cuts there and everything, and this will be. It'll go from an hour and a half swap to 20 minutes. So if I do need to change them, shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, talk to Darren here, my my incredible neighbor and mechanicking mentor. Okay, I just did a little self-tapper there because those little fur things always break. We got to pump the brakes because the other side I loosened the brakes to look at them and change the ABS sensor. So yeah, let's take this thing for a spin around the block and let's find out if I've wasted $50 on it on the economy. Well, these weren't the economy shocks. The economy shocks are like $10, and no, these were $20. Right? I'm a big spender here. No, I said the standard ride. Standard. So yeah, you can spend a lot more, but. These are good. If I have to change them every couple of years, that's fine. I'll see. Oh, there we go. Moment of truth. First ride with the new shocks. Oh my goodness. goodness. Look at me, I'm doing almost 20 kilometers an hour down here. I'm going to hit a bump. What's going to happen? Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is running just the way a vehicle should. Best $20 I ever spent on shocks. Well, that's good. I'm glad I bought the cheap ones. Okay, here's a little mechanics trick I learned on YouTube. I'm trying to add a large swivel here, but it's really loose. So the trick is you just put some tape around it, and just to stiffen it up a little bit there, and then there you go. Alright. I'm doing a steel load here, just because I thought the Atlas was going to get fixed, but there's one more gear we need. Its listed price is $120, but the real question is, do they actually have the damn thing? So I put in the order, and in a few days they will tell me if they have it or not, and then we will move. So I'm checking out a job site for one of my regulars here, and Phil, what do we have here? Hey, look at this. So Weber, there you go, Phil. I'll mail you the grills. So this one's been a little bitched. Oh no, it's just got the handles in there, it's just missing the screws. I'm gonna drag some stuff out here. It's for a really good client named Peter. He's kind of a property manager sort of guy. Really good dude. We got ourselves a bike. There's probably more in the yard. Let's see here. Usual garbage in the recycling bin. Ooh, that's disgusting. All those cigarette butts on there. Ooh, look at that, some grapes. Oh, there's a nice dolly with a stair climber. Goodness. And then some junk here. Oh, the place is boarded up. Okay, perfect. So, oh, look at this cute thing. I mean, that's definitely a sell or giveaway. Look at that wagon wheel. Oh yeah, look at that, the wagon wheel chair. Oh, oh, this set's worth some money. I don't know how much, maybe $20, but definitely worth some money. So, oh, that's not too bad. Oh nice, they collected all these hazelnuts, oh, and walnuts even. There we go. Crack those around the campfire. A little thing there. Hey Peter, there's some good grapes back there, man. Look at this, there's good grapes. Transmission broke. It's okay though, we're trying to buy parts, we got parts. Well, we got all the parts. And then, how you doing? Good to see you. It's been a tough month. I don't know. So the truck broke, and then Google suspended my business account. what's so crazy nowadays? So I moved to a new location because the parents moved, so I had to move my, and then I moved to my new address, and then they're like, okay, we need, it's not a postcard anymore. Do you have a Google Business account? You don't really have. So you need. Okay, I've got a pickup right now, and probably maybe another one today or early tomorrow, or 2 tomorrow, 1 more in the weekend. Blah blah. Anyway, got a lot of jobs coming up. So I'm gonna dump this scrap. I don't know, maybe it's $20 here, but in Kelowna. Anyways, so. But the big thing is, it's getting recycled. It's getting dealt with properly. Oh, some heavy stuff in there. Alright, so we got ourselves a nice old Sony Wega. These are still desirable, like, they're not... Yeah, it's a projection, but a projection is a cathode ray tube technology as well, so just the cathodes project up. So I'm taking these, what all am I taking here? I'm taking these nice bikes here. I'm taking, I'll find somewhere to go with that. This clean single mattress here. Basically, this is kind of a, oh, it's jammed, I see. Probably needs some filing there, but it's actually, it's quite a nice piece. So maybe I'll get the file out on that and bring that back. Boxes, another TV here. This one is a, oh, it's another Sony. These guys got nice stuff. Okay, well, yeah, that's about it. So, yeah, let's get the shit in the truck then, eh? Sorry, what's that?
She still acts like a puppy, you know.
Oh,
She
yeah.
don't want to play with her. Like, she
Didn't
loves
want,
it, right? But
didn't want to come say hi. Where did you go?
and she's sniffing around.
Are you sniffing around? You're just checking it all out? Oh, there you are. Oh, can I say hi? Can I say hi? No, you're very busy. You're very busy. She's just got her own thing going. Yeah, he's got her own thing. Maybe like it would take me a month to get $20 for this bike, and it makes no sense. I don't understand. I don't